Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer XRP from Binance to Revolut in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it securely and efficiently, whether you're building your investment portfolio or just moving assets around. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Revolut. If you haven't already, download the Revolut app and verify your Binance account for withdrawals. Why is this important? Well, in 2025, regulations might have tightened, so double-check that XRP is supported on both platforms. Revolut has been expanding its crypto offerings, but always confirm. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. Select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, depending on your setup, then find XRP in your asset list. Click on Withdraw next to XRP to start the process. Remember, fees can vary, so keep an eye on the network fees for the XRP blockchain. It's usually the XRP ledger, which is quick and cheap. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need your Revolut XRP wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, select XRP, and copy the address. Paste it into Binance, along with the amount you want to transfer. Pro tip: always start with a small test amount to avoid any mishaps, especially with potential 2025 updates to blockchain security. Step 3. Review and confirm. Binance will show you a summary, including estimated arrival time and fees. Double-check everything. Wrong addresses can mean lost funds. Once you're good, hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. Now, wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes but could be longer during network congestion. Finally, once it's done, hop back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance. You should see your XRP there. If you run into issues, like delays or errors, check both apps' support sections or community forums. That's it. You've successfully transferred XRP. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.